What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the homestead. Today we're putting up more plastic like you see behind us. We are trying to fight our moisture and our condensation issue inside our metal building.
Hi, we're Mike and Liz. Welcome to Laid Back Living. We do it all here, from DIY construction to the creation of a self-sufficient homestead, and everything in between, including snowmobiling, hunting, and many other outdoor activities that North Idaho offers. Our goal in life is to do as much as we can on our own. Please consider subscribing down below to join in on our adventures. Okay, you guys, so before we carry on with the plastic, Mike and I are getting this peak in our bedroom all framed up. So we already did this once in the living room. It's just a little bit of a pain in the butt, which is kind of why we've been putting it off. So the peak in here is a 3/12 pitch. So what that means is that for every 12 inches is going up 3 inches. So we're gonna go downstairs, get all the boards cut, get this framed up, get the insulation in, and then we can start to put the plastic over it.
Oh, this board's nice and twisted. We'll do one first, just to make sure.
Must be nice to be a dog. Okay, that is awesome. We got the peak framed up, so that's perfect. We ran into a couple little hiccups here and there, but we got it. So now we are going to be putting the insulation up there, and then plastic is next. So this is the front wall of our house. This is what we are hoping that the bedroom will look like eventually. We love the shiplap, but we got that peak all framed up. We got the insulation in there a while ago. So this is just an example of what our bedroom will look like here, hopefully soon. Okay, so we got that project done, which is perfect. Everything went pretty smoothly. So I'm gonna run downstairs and show you guys an exciting little thing that we have. New addition to the family. I'll show you. Okay, so we are trying the chickens again. We got these guys about a week or so ago from a buddy of ours who lives pretty close to us. Ooh, they are wanting to escape. So we have 8 in here. He isn't like an official breeder, so he wasn't able to sex these chicks. So we don't know if we have roosters or hens. We're just gonna kind of roll with it for now. There are some Turkins in here, which we've never tried the Turkins. They're pretty interesting looking, kind of cute in their own way. If you guys haven't seen the Turkins, they have like the naked necks. They look like a turkey chicken, but supposedly they're pretty good layers. So we'll know here in the next coming weeks whether these are hens or roosters. Either way, we're fine with it. So we have 8 here, and then I think in the next few coming weeks, when stores like North 40 get their chicks, we're gonna get probably a dozen more or so and have it be about 20 in our flock. So these guys will chill in here until we can get their new coop built down at the bottom. But it's always exciting to have new chicks. They're cute in their own way. They're still kind of in that baby phase before they get into the really ugly teenage phase. But yeah, they're fun. So that's exciting. We're excited to start over. Not happy to start over, but happy to be starting over. And this is just a super easy, obviously it's a dog kennel, but what we are trying this year is the heat plate, brooder plate, I believe it's called. We learned that tip from some friends. So the past couple of times we've had chicks, we've used the heat lamp, but the chicks just chill out under this little plate and it keeps them nice and warm at night. And supposedly it's supposed to really decrease your heating bill because you don't have a light running constantly. And they seem pretty comfortable in there, seem to like it. They all just like bunch up. It gets pretty cold down here in the shop at night, but I don't think they're having any problems so far. All right, guys. So like I said, I don't love that we had to start over. A lot of you guys know that we lost our flock recently to a bobcat here on the mountain. So we got the new chicks and yeah, we just have to start the flock all over, which is a bummer, but it is what it is. If any of you guys are interested in checking out that brooder plate, maybe you use a heat lamp right now and you want to try something new, I will put the link for that in the description below. So far, we really like it and the chicks seem to enjoy it as well.
Since we got all the plastic up in the bedroom, that is the upstairs. We've completed all of the upstairs with the moisture barrier, the vapor barrier.
Right.
And now we just have to move to the downstairs underneath the loft here.
All the tape and everything. I don't know why we were putting that off for so long.
Yeah, I don't know.
It looks so much better.
It does look better,
So
and it
much
feels
better.
good that it's done. Yeah.
So good. So I'm excited. Now we move to the downstairs, get everything all buttoned up down there. And hopefully we are on our way to solving our moisture problem.
Right, yeah. As you guys saw, you have to be pretty meticulous with it. Go through, tape all those seams, and make sure they're all nice and tight. Try to put as few holes as possible in that piece of plastic. And just be really good about monitoring what airflow you have around there.
So we'll see. I guess we get to check it later on and see how we did.
Yeah, if you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing down below. It sure does help us out, and we appreciate you watching.
We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Bye. Have a hug.